Three things that you can do very easily with Florida water. Hi, I'm Elemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome to your spiritual home. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Our channel is about spiritual lifestyle and African spirituality. If you're interested in any of those topics, stick around. But first, I want to shout out all my people from New Jersey. Woohoo! Welcome. So today, I thought we could talk about three things that you can do very easily with Florida water. If you watched any of my videos, I've got some Florida water videos by themselves, how to use it in different works. And so because Florida water is so popular, I thought I'd do another one because I know you guys, if you know, you know. So let's get started. So there's so many ways to use Florida water. You know, I think that people add them to floor washes, baths. We have the spray for Florida water. But some of the most simple things that you can do is just put it on your hands, rub your hands together, you know, put it on the back of your neck, spray it around your home. Watch some of my Florida water videos definitely to get some ideas. But today's video is going to be about how to use Florida water to do some manifestation work for yourself in terms of clearing, good luck, money drawing, general cleansing, and upliftment. So we're going to remove this. This is for the next demo. And we're going to start with container, some indigo, and of course I have a video on indigo and using indigo, and some eggshell powder, cascarilla, right? So we're gonna put some water in here because this would be like if you were taking a spiritual wash at home. This particular wash you can use as a floor wash, body wash. Gonna add some cascarilla, eggshell powder, right? Just fantastic. You can put as much as you want. And I'll put the indigo in at the end. And Florida water, we know, is one of those things that all you need to do is pray over it and bam. So we're gonna put some Florida water in here. You put as much as you want. You know, you can make some for a day or two. You can share it with other people, which I actually like to do. Even when I make these things in the store, I share it with the ladies that are here. So I'm gonna stir it up. Right, stir it up. Oh my God, it smells so good. You could just make that a spiritual wash and that would be the end of it, right? That's really nice clearing. Great for if you're trying to connect with the ancestors and some spirit guides. Add some more water. And we're going to add some indigo, which is wonderful to add for a little bit of money drawing. Not too much because you really want to keep it as pale as possible. Add a little bit more just to make it a little bit bluer. And there you go. This is a wonderful wash for money drawing, positivity, clearing. You can use this to mop your house, to bring good vibes into your space, to cut any kind of negativity. If you have any kind of negativity going on with family members or in the household, wonderful thing to make. All we had was indigo, cascarilla, water, and Florida water. Fantastic, quick and dirty work, so to speak. So here's another working that you can do with Florida water, right? This is our Wash on the Go kit, which you're gonna absolutely love. And so I'm showing you how to use our Wash on the Go kit and doing a working with Florida water. So that you would put hot water in the jar. You would add whatever you want. In this case, we're going to do one for attraction and money drawing. So roses we know are great for love, attraction, come to me, look for me, magnetism, but it's also good in money works. So we put our hot water in. We could steep it for half an hour, so on. This has only been steeping for about half an hour, right? But if you were going out and you left it steeping, then it would be maybe a little bit darker. So here we've got our roses inside. This can be for male or female, this wash, right? And you can also add your Florida water soap by bathing with the soap when you're going to do this working for yourself. So now I'm going to add some more water just for the sake of the video. I'm going to add some more water. I'm going to add some Florida water. This is going to be fantastic. And this is enough that you can use it for a couple of days. And for our money drawing aspect that's even more specific, I'm going to put some tobacco cologne. And a lot of you saw my tobacco video, see me make tobacco washes. So now we're going to just put some in here. Fantastic for money and luck. And this wash also you can use for spirit guides. And then our wash on the go kit. This is fantastic. You want to try this. You really want to try this. I keep this in my I keep this in my kitchen, and I keep one in my bathroom. A lady came in here the other day and says, Elemi, I was traveling and I took my wash on the go kit and it worked fabulous, right? And you can even use the hot water even if you're traveling in a hotel, or just, you know, get some hot water in another way. So we've got here water, rose petals, Florida water, and tobacco water, tobacco cologne. And then all we do is pour it out. Look at that. Wash on the go kit. You cannot beat that. We're the only Botanica that has this. #1. Check it out. Such great sachet this came from. And that's it. Now you have this that you can use it again. You can use this another time to get more out of these rose petals. Fill it back up with hot water. Start over with another wash. And this you can use as a spray, as a bath wash, put it in your bathtub, mop your floors, give it to someone as a gift, use it from time to time, add oils to it, powders, whatever it is that you choose to do. This is a true Botanica working. Try it, let me know. So this is the third one that we're going to show you today. So all my Florida water lovers, I'm hoping that you're still with me, because this one is the sweet one you've been waiting for. And this is how to make a wash to request that your ancestors help to remove some kind of blockage. Ask your ancestors to help to make the way for you, kind of like a special favor wash being done with the ancestors. So I'll show you the sweet thing for them afterwards. So we have our Florida water. We have eucalyptus essential oil. And we have peppermint essential oil. So now we're going to put a little bit of that, and we have, whoops, holy water. We're going to put a little bit of, and essential oils, you don't need a lot, a little bit of peppermint in there. Then we're going to put some eucalyptus, fantastic for removing, blessing. This is also just another sweet thing. The Orisha Oya really likes eucalyptus. I'm going to put some holy water. And, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Whew. Gonna have to use that. I'm gonna have to try it. Some Florida water. And now that we've gotten our Florida water, eucalyptus, and peppermint, I'm gonna mix that together. Look at that, fantastic. All right. Mix that together. Oh, can't wait to use that. And our sweet, sweet thing is, if you choose to be all in your Botanica world and you want to add something, you can add the 7 African Powers wash to this liquid. Fantastic, fantastic way to pull in the 7 African Powers, work with the ancestors to make your request come to pass. But if you do not have this, I've definitely showed you that you can use essential oils with water and Florida water. Again, wonderful floor wash, spray, body wash, face wash, hand wash, foot wash. Fantastic. And this can be used for any and everyone in your home. I would say you could use this for all ages, even to young children, because again, essential oils are for everyone, and Florida water is too, but do not put it on anyone's head if you're unclear about what to do. I hope that this gave you some great ideas. The water element is all about flow. What is Florida water? It's a liquid, right? So you want to know that things that have water base are going to be extremely potent and good, and is a great conduit for moving things, breaking stagnation, breaking blockage, bringing prosperity, bringing money, luck, attraction, attention, all the good things that you want, need, and deserve. I hope that you got a lot of really good ideas, and if you've never used Florida water before, maybe you'll start now. Remember, it started out only being an aftershave item, and now it's good for everyone. And it has strong, 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 strong spiritual uses for luck, for money, attraction, clearing, block breaking, removing negative vibrations. You can use it in a space, on an item, on a person, and so on and so forth. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. And to stay in the know, hit the bell for notifications and join our great YouTube family by subscribing. And see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.